Good morning, guys. It is currently about 10. Yeah, and welcome to another vlog. So I'm still in the village, and today I think I'm going to get some nduma to cook. Yeah, so hang around and remember to like, subscribe. Yeah. So nduma ndo hizi. I'm not sure if they are mature. Ooh. The way you tell if nduma is matured, they have this, the lower leaves are like drying up. You can see like these ones. Let's go. Lakini specs zinafanya na kuwa mweusi. Usianguke.
Kwani?
So let's go. If you can see, like it has dry leaves here, so it shows that there are ndumas inside. And you start by digging from the sides. Oh, okay. Maybe we'll use that. To avoid cutting it, you're supposed to dig from the sides and then you shake it like this. This is not very big, but it's there. You shake it like that so that you don't cut it. And then there are little baby ndumas here. You put them aside and then you will plant them. Like this one. In Kilua they are called timband. So this is how you dig, then shake. Then you remove these ones. You remove the babies for planting later. Like that. Those ones are for planting, and then we'll cut these ones. You can see where they are growing from. You remove the leaves, not the leaves, the roots, like that, and then cut from here, from about here. Like that. You remember to leave this one so that they can go back, and then this one, you just cut like this. And you put it back in the corner. is Pauline. Pauline amwogopa kuwa kwa YouTube, na ndio huyo maana anapenda kukua kwa YouTube. Anapenda na hajakua. We have a river here which is seasonal. Yeah. All the way up there. You can see this trees look so big. Ni tree ama ni so these things, when we were little, they used to believe that if you put it on your breast, it becomes big. These tiny things floating on the water. Naona tu kuni. Yeah, so nimeangusha specs kwa maji, but I got them looking very very disgusting. Emma alikuwa ameka time lapse badala ya video. Nikikanyaga slika sina ground. Kitambo niko ingine ni ground. Haya. Move me. Like that. Can this be enough? So here the arrowroots have been making. I'm almost done, and they have gone to they are going to get sweet potatoes. Yeah, while I make this. So let me finish up, and then I will catch you guys when I am cooking. So I think my dad is developing dementia, and for like the past, I don't know about how many years, maybe 5, 10, maybe 10 probably, or about 10, he's been dyeing his hair. So when he has realized he's forgetting things, he's thinking it is because of the dye, so he stopped dyeing his hair. Like, he's saying whenever he dyes his hair, he will forget everything. So now he will not be dyeing his hair anymore. I think that is so funny. By the way, I made these lines myself because I was wearing a wig. Yeah, I'm thinking about putting a fire there. So I've decided to make the meko here. Yeah, so let's start cooking. I don't know why the chicken are afraid. Yeah, so let's start cooking. Water here, the firewood, then I have the nduma here, and the sufuria here. Let me just wash. if they have cooked. This is what to do. You pierce like this, and if it goes through, it is cooked. Now you can remove these things.